Someone asked me a question on Facebook saying, how many days does it take for you to see the results when you start using the beard growth oil, Aichun beard growth oil? It takes 3 months for you to see the results. That's the minimum period that you need to wait if you want to start growing a beard for the first time. You've never grown a beard in your life, but if you have been growing a beard but you've never used this beard growth oil, you want to start using it now. This beard growth oil helps you to grow the beard at a faster pace. It means that you see the improvement in the way your beard grows. You see that the speed at which your beard grows increases and it improves. And not only that, your beard will start looking smart, it will start looking clean, and those are the things that your beard wants for it to grow fast. Looking smart and looking clean, and making sure that your dead skin cells on your face are not there, which means that you also need to know how to exfoliate your skin on your face so that the dead skin cells are completely removed off your face. The dead skin cells, they prevent the beard from growing the way it's supposed to grow. In the end, you start experiencing ingrown hairs, the beard that grows inside that fails to penetrate the skins that are blocking it from growing out. Dead skin cells, they prevent your beard from growing as fast as possible because they will be dealing with that layer that prevents it from growing, and that's not healthy for your beard. That's not healthy for your skin. That's not healthy for your beard. So you need to make sure that you know how to exfoliate your skin, and you also need to know how to take care of yourself. You as a man, you need to know how to take care of yourself. You need to know how to dress well. You need to know how to just make sure that your beard is in place and it's not everywhere. Structure it properly and it looks smart and it looks clean. If you're growing the beard from scratch, 3 months is the minimum period that it takes for you to grow the beard using this beard growth oil, the Aichun beard growth oil. I hope this video is very informative, but also don't forget to subscribe because I create more videos like this, talking about beard growth, the challenges that we face as men who grow the beard, or the challenges that people who are growing the beard from scratch face. Everything gets talked about here. So subscribe and share the video to anyone who might find this video helpful.